Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And in every Sunday I planned a weekly revision, and this revision should be like reattempt wrong and skipped questions from attempted quizzes and attempted mock test, and also make your timetable according to your week areas. And tomorrow is day 25 of Sunday revision. So early in the morning, revise the basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, and some formulas and vocabulary words. So on daily basis, revise the basics of each subject, and don't forget to revise the basics of any subject. And after that, revise the attempted pre-exams in this week, and note down all your weak areas on a paper where you are lacking, and make timetable according to your weak areas from mock test. And after that, and daily in morning we are watching editorial video. So from that, revise the daily vocabulary words and rules noted down on a paper. So tomorrow, revise all that words and rules for your English preparation. And after that, daily we are practicing quantum reasoning for pre-level, and daily we are practicing some topics and attempted quizzes. So tomorrow for quantum reasoning, revise the practice topics and quizzes, and note down all your mistakes from that quizzes, and make your timetable for practicing pre-level. And then in afternoon, who are beginners and who are already preparing, tomorrow attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source, and after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper, and make timetable according to your weak areas. And then in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, revise the attempted quizzes in this week, and yesterday we attempted mains mock test. So revise all that ones for your mains preparation, and make your timetable according to your weak areas from the quizzes. And also for our mains preparation, revise the topics for banking awareness and computer awareness. This week we read some topics for both computer awareness and banking awareness. So tomorrow revise that once. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs, and from 2 days we are reading May 3rd week current affairs. So tomorrow attempt quizzes of May 3rd week current affairs, and tomorrow complete May 3rd week current affairs. And also revise this week current affairs from June 26th to 2nd July current affairs from one of your source. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And also who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates, and thank you.